I decided to bring this project back to South Sudan to create jobs for youth and women, also for the community, to learn on how to do poultry farming. From my research, I learned that chicken farming can generate income within short period of time. Therefore, if my community adapt to this project, they will generate income for food, for shelter, for clothes, and also they can even kill the poverty through this business. Welcome to C&H Poultry Farming. This is my farm, and I'm going to take you through. Welcome. My name is Nelson Awok, and I have 3,000 baht in the farm, and my target is to reach 10,000 to 20,000. Let me take you through and have a look inside. This is a normal structure. We use it normally. It's a chip, but it can make millions of dollars. The way you see it like this is too small and it's too cheap, but it's making a lot of money. You don't need a lot of money to put too much structure. Just start step by step. You need to follow the process. This side is for future. When we want to extend, you're going to put another house here and the other one there. Yeah. So let me take this part is our brooding. This is the way we brood the chicks for 2 weeks, and then we take them to the other one. Come and have a look. Let's go inside. First step, you have to put your legs into it, disinfected. If you don't put your leg inside here, you're gonna kill these birds. So you have to put your legs first, and then we entered. Welcome. Now this is the brooding. This is the brooding. Here we have 1,500 birds. These are all chicks. And then we're going to F2, the other brooding. This one is F2, it's another brooding. Welcome. Here also we have another 1,500 birds, and they are all layers. All of them are 3,000. My dream now is to go more, to reach 10,000 and 20,000 birds, so I can manage to be to be in competition with other competitors. I'm a South Sudanese by nationality. I came from Australia. That's where I was living. And now I came back to my country to venture into this project called Poultry. And it's been a long journey to start this poultry farm. We've been up and down, and today you have seen it. We have made it to start the project, and I have to say thank God. I've been in Australia for almost 8 years. My job in Australia, I was working in a factory, and I decided to get rid of that job and venture into this agriculture. And that's the reason why I left Australia and I moved to my country, South Sudan, where I can succeed into this poultry farm rather than do it in Australia. My challenge, guys, was airlifting them and also lack of pressurized in the cargo. So we decided to look for plan B to get chicks from Uganda. But still, after getting them from Uganda, clearing them into the country was a problem. We took very long time at the border to clear them. That was one of the big issues and was a challenge to me. That's where now I'm appealing to the Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock to exempt taxes on agricultural inputs coming into the country. My regard by that, many investors will come to invest in agriculture and will create more jobs and food security in our country. My last message to my youth or friends, please, this type of business is lucrative. Please join. If you don't have knowledge, we can teach you. I have my mentor, he's called Antonio. He's the one who mentored me to become a poultry farmer, and he's also my teacher. So we can do that, and we'll do more training to make you joining this business. So don't be scared about it. The first day that you're gonna start is gonna be hard for you, but we'll make it to be easy, and you will enjoy it. Thanks.
Hi Nelson.
Mr. Antonio.
Finally.
Long time. Yeah. Nice to meet you.
How many years?
4 years now.
Of struggling.
Yeah.
But you're here.
We have done it.
Tell them, no matter how long they take.
It's been a long journey, guys. You have to be patient. And the process, you have to follow the process step by step. So you cannot skip one step and then you go to the third one. Took me 4 years to start this project, and now we have done it. And I've been with Antonio for those 4 years until now.
Guys, sometimes this is such a feeling that you can't explain how you're feeling.
Yeah.
Nelson has been my student, and we've been so patient, trying to put things together. Everything was happened last year, but one.
Yeah. And then we push it again.
We lost a lot of funds. That's a story for another day.
Yeah.
And we pushed it now to where it is now. And we've really struggled. You remember missing the flight, lacking a flight and all that, the clearance and all that.
Yeah.
Finally, how does it feel when you achieve your dream?
I'm so excited. I'm really feel so happy to be with sheep. And now I think my community, they're gonna be defeated now.
Wow.
It's gonna be cheap for them to get eggs and to get chicken for meat, and that's what I was dreaming for.
Wow.
Now I'm happy.
Now Nelson, many youth in Africa dream to go abroad.
Yeah.
You know, some of them we've seen too bad for this. You've seen we lost a lot of men, most of our brothers in the Mediterranean Sea trying to cross and all that.
Yeah.
But here you are, You are in Australia, having a very good job.
Yeah.
What drove you again to come back here?
Yeah. Guys, east or west, home is the best. Yeah. I saw a lot of people that are asking me that they want to go to abroad, and if you told them don't go, they look like you feel jealousy about them. But what I've seen in Western countries, the future is here. That's where the future is. But that place where you got opportunity to study and come back, it's not a place where you can have a future. This is my future now, and I'm feel so happy.
Wow, wow, wow. I've not have so many questions to ask.
Yeah.
Because we've been together for the last 4 years. We've been doing this thing, so I don't know which question to ask you.
Yeah.
But the only thing today I will do is just to congratulate you.
Thank you.
Because this is a journey we're going to walk together.
Thank you.
And so that other people and youth can learn.
Yeah.
And our brothers in South Sudan, AIM Agriculture is in South Sudan, and Nelson here has brought AIM Agriculture and the chicken farming dream. We are going to make everything a reality.
Yeah.
Right? All the way from the chicks up to the feeds.
Yeah.
One word again for the youth, women, and our fellow brothers who are watching us here at home on board. We've had the challenge of airlifting the chicken, and we really spent a lot of time at the immigration. If you watched actually the documentary on how we move these chicks from the hatchery in Uganda all the way to the farm here in South Sudan, and to be specific, Bor town in Jonglei State.
Yes.
What are some of the steps you're going to take so that another investor, or when you breed another stock, you don't experience such challenges?
It's really a big matter, guys, and it's an issue, and I have to raise it so well. So I'm gonna meet with some ministers to discuss about this issue, because it's a big matter for other investors that they want to invest into this poultry. And if you have that challenge and it's your first time to venture into this poultry farm, it's going to discourage you. So we have to make sure this thing is being exempted. So we have to input this one with no taxes, so that their life is really matter for us. So we have to make sure that they have to go through to the farm without this all nonsense of migration. And I think we're going to work hard on that to make sure it's clear. So once you entered into poultry farm, it's going to be easy for you.
Wow, that's nice. That's nice. And we really hope that it's addressed on time.
Yeah.
Guys, I don't think I can ask Nelson any questions. This is a journey we've walked with him for the last 4 years. We've been doing it, planning, doing up to today. The only good message I have for him is just a congratulatory note and an encouragement.
Yeah.
And feel encouraged.
Thank you.
And congratulations for pressing on until we've seen it here.
Yes.
He's made this farm very simple and no much poshness in it, but he's been made it as simple as possible so that anybody coming here to watch, to see and learn can easily do it. Is it?
Yes.
And congratulations so much.
Thank you.